Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix localhost refuse to connect in Chrome. Alright, let's begin. First, open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Select History, then click Open History page. Navigate to Delete Browsing Data, set the time range to All Time, then click Delete Data. Next, open Camd as an administrator. When the command prompt opens, type ipconfig flush DNNs and press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Now go to Control Panel and double-click your active network adapter and select Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version for IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate DNS. Click OK. Then Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings and select Network Reset. Hit Reset Now and allow your PC to restart to apply the changes. That's it for this video. Thanks.